Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is OPPO A15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on this device. Alright, so firstly to do this we have to just open our settings. Here we have to click on the Wi-Fi, and right here we have to choose the network that we want to connect to, for example this one. Now we have to just type password of this network. And as you can see, it's connecting. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.